Are you tired of relying on multiple machines, extra operators, and constant adjustments just to produce a simple wire ring or 2D wire part? Do you wish your production line could run smoothly, consistently, and completely automatically? Meet the Tate fully automatic 2D CNC wire bending and welding system, engineered to replace traditional fragmented processes with one seamless, intelligent workflow. From coil wire automatic feeding to CNC-controlled precision bending, to quick and accurate cutting, followed by fast, stable butt welding and automatic unloading. Every step is completed by the machine itself. No manual intervention. No unpredictable errors. No wasted time. Each product comes out with exact dimensions, clean bending angles, and strong, consistent welds, ensuring quality that exceeds typical machinery on the market. With advanced servo control and optimized mechanics, Tate delivers higher speed, better accuracy, and greater reliability, even during long, continuous production. Factories using Tate machines experience lower labor costs, fewer rejects, and significantly higher daily output, because the entire process works like a fully automated production cell. When you choose Tate, you're choosing a partner known for professional engineering, stable performance, and trustworthy after-sales support. We don't just provide a machine, we provide a solution you can depend on. If you're ready for smarter, more efficient wire forming production, Tate is the brand you can trust. Contact us today at info@tatebend.com.